Terrific Tuesday, and the tip we're going to talk about is what is a dividend. It's basically a sum of money paid regularly, and it is typically quarterly, where a company pays the shareholders of its profits or reserves. Some companies do monthly, depending on the company. Here are examples of some companies that pay dividends, but do know there are lots of companies that do, including Apple and Microsoft. Let's talk a little bit about the Dividend X Date. Basically, this just means if you want to get the next dividend payout, you would want to be in before that date, typically at least 3 days before the date. So if the X date was December the 25th, for example, you would want to be in by at least the 22nd. So when they have the dividend payout, you're actually already in and you can benefit from it. So here in this example, Walmart already had their Dividend X Date. It was December the 10th, so you would have wanted to be in at least by December the 7th. You would get 54 cents per share. Keep in mind, this is different per company because the rates they pay is different. So the dividend payout will actually be January the 4th. So they're going to get 54 cents per share, which is really nice. Now, in the next slide we're going to look at is Clorox. Clorox X date has not happened yet. So it's January the 26th. So you want to at least be in by the 22nd or 23rd. You're going to get paid $1.11 per share, which is really great. The dividend pay date would be February the 12th. Okay, so this and like I said, the percentages are different depending on the stock and how much the share is. Johnson & Johnson, there's their X date. Now let's talk about AT&T. AT&T is really a great stock if you're looking for dividends because they actually pay a high rate per share. This stock is only $28 and they're paying 52 cents per share. You can still get in on AT&T. You see the X date and the dividend pay date. Now you can reinvest your dividend or use it for income. Some people use it for income.